Heading out from Gloucester, we finally reach the open roads with no traffic and approach the bottom of the Barrington National Park from the east. The sun is warm, the roads are smooth, and the scenery is spectacular. It's easy to get lost in a mesmeric slow sweep of corner after corner and the hum of the motor, and we easily forget the hustle and bustle of the city we've left behind us. Just one of the many low crossings and fords across crystal clear brooks that we will discover. Look at that. Beautiful. Finally, we get into the Barrington National Park, and we are surprised and possibly a little disappointed that the road is in such good condition. We rarely ride gravel roads above about 50 kilometers an hour, but here we feel confident pushing it to above 80 while the sky is lost in the green tunnel of trees around us. Horse Swamp Campground is a beautiful place to stay. Plenty of fallen wood for a quick campfire to keep warm, a shared beer before we start cooking, and our 0-degree night ahead. The tent is already starting to look inviting. Sleeping in a tent is never as comfortable as staying at home, so a little wearily we set off on the return trip the next day. passing through the gate takes us from the national park area back into just the general state rural area, and the difference in road condition is immediately apparent, showing us just how far council funding is stretched. That said, the road is in pretty good condition as we descend back down the western side of the ranges towards Moonan Brook. The scenery and outlook over the surrounding mountains is spectacular. What a beautiful place we are lucky enough to visit and enjoy. Dropping finally lower, we descend into the valley at Moonan Brook, heading towards Moonan Flat and Scone. We bid farewell to the mountains and head wearily home.